How to unhide posts from your Facebook timeline. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily unhide your posts from your Facebook timeline. So if you have hidden certain posts from your Facebook timeline and you want to bring them back, this is how you do it. First of all, open up your Facebook, and then from here, you are just going to tap on your menu section. So as you can see here, this is my current profile. From here, you just want to tap on the menu icon from here and open up the settings. Once the settings and privacy is open, you just have to scroll down until you find your activity and tap on activity log. So if you have hidden some posts from your profile, it is most likely that you have archived them. So you just have to tap on your archives, and if you want to restore them, you can just select them and tap on restore, and these items will be restored to your profile and it can be seen by the audience that was selected before. So tap on restore and these posts will be restored back to your profile. So that's it. If you found it helpful, I'll see you guys on the next one.